Lend me kids movies. Let me show you guys a couple games. So this one, Fantastic Plastic, is a new game coming to iOS in November. And this one uses either the Siri remote or a game controller. And this one I'll play with the Siri remote, and the kind of way I describe it to you, you hold it sideways and use the touchpad to look around. This one will be exclusive to the latest Apple TV. It's kind of an 80s theme game.
Other iOS games, do they all work on Apple TV, or is it like special TV?
The games are going to be kind of custom tailored for the Apple TV interface. You're not going to just have access to the entire iPhone store, for example. Look around. So it's pretty detailed graphics for Apple TV. Oh, get it back there. This one I can just hold the play pause button to run, tap the touchpad to jump. So it's up there with some of the other game controlling schemes. Now you can still use a gamepad for this game if you want a more traditional game controller.
Do you have any demos of like a motion sensing game?
I do. I can show you that after I do this little thing. But yeah, I have like the beat sports, which is what we showed on the stage. That's maybe not motion sensing, but it's using accelerometers to time the hits. First, I'll show you guys quickly a gamepad game. This one's called After Pulse. So I've got my gamepad here, which is one of the two companies we've worked with launching with the new Apple TV. This one's from SteelSeries. There's also one from a company called Hori coming out. They're both really high quality, multiple trigger, high-end game controllers. It allows you to play really kind of advanced games like this one, which is more of a traditional shooter style game.
And these are part of the MFI program, is that right?
These are part of the MFI program. These are new and improved versions, but you can use the traditional MFI remotes as well with the Apple TV. So you see the graphics are pretty realistic. It's using the A8 as well as metal in these games.
Is the native resolution of games, is it 1080p HD, or is it?
They can be up to full HD. I don't know what they all are.
So the developer chooses what?
I'm not sure what they're using. Some of these games are full. I think the previous one I know is full 1080p, the Fantastic Plastic game. I'm not sure about this one. They made this easy for us on purpose. They didn't think we could play the game very well. They're probably right. So that's a gamepad game.
So now that Apple TV has the home button that brings you home, does it work like other iOS devices where you can switch between apps, or is it?
Yeah, it's a good question. If you double tap the home button, you can get this kind of app switcher here.
Okay.
You can even kind of dismiss applications like you'd expect. So it works very similar.
You just
to
did an upward
iOS.
gesture.
You kind of just swipe up. So I'll show this Rayman Adventures here. This is more of a 2D game, but also is using the Siri remote. So I can just tap to jump, and then I can swipe around to move the character. Definitely lifelike. One last app I'll show is it's not just about games. Of course, we have other applications as well. This one's from Zillow, and Zillow is a great way to explore new homes in the area, check them out, look at photos. You can just simply use the touchpad to swipe across the photos, just like you'd expect on an iPad or iPhone, but you're using this touchpad instead. I can swipe down to get more details on this particular house. So a great way to kind of enjoy house shopping with the family. You can save it for later.